I'm here today at 9 Truro Place in South City Beach, Western Australia. This is one of the most desirable pockets of one of the most desirable suburbs in all of Western Australia. The lot is a generous, elevated 850 square meters. The home itself, built in 1996, is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, multiple living areas, double story, a generous 370 square meters of interior living. There is so much to see, but the most important thing you have to see are these ocean views. And after you have a look at that, we're going to take a look at this house. Come along for the ride. One of the standout features of this elevated 850 square meter block in South City Beach is the fact that it is just steps from the ocean. We are west of West Coast Highway, very close to Odyssey, very close to City Beach. And what you're going to notice as you approach the home is this large double garage, which we'll go in just a moment. But let's head inside and we're going to go straight upstairs so you can see the best part of this huge property. We're going to come inside, notice some LED light features, and as we go up the stairs, you're going to see there is timber flooring that is really light and bright, very fresh. And as you come up, there is a huge void open between the levels. It's great. There's such a sense of spaciousness in this entire property. Now, as you approach up into this very big open plan living room, dining room, and kitchen, you'll notice that directly west facing, we're getting some gorgeous light, views of the Indian Ocean. Sunset is about an hour, hour and a half away. Now, in this kitchen, which has had a refresh since the property was built in 1996, you'll see there are integrated Miele appliances. You've got an integrated microwave, coffee maker and steam oven, as well as induction cooktop, 600 mil oven, double sink, and Miele dishwasher. You're going to spend an enormous amount of time in this part of the house because of what you are looking at over here. And we're going to go outside so you can get a sense of this large veranda, not only overlooking the beautiful view, the treetops, but also this very large in-ground chlorinated pool. And now onto the rest of the house. So if we step this way, we're going to see the formal dining room and a formal living room with fireplace. And when you pan over this way, we're directly east facing, so this will be a great place to stay in the morning. You're gonna have beautiful morning light being east facing. And on this side, you will see a powder room, and in here, a very large games and activities room. Heading downstairs, now we're going to see all of the bedrooms and office. So we'll start this way and we'll walk into the master bedroom. And as you can see, we are west facing here, looking out over this gorgeous pool. You do have access down into the pool area, and then there are his and her double walk-in robes. And through here, into the master ensuite, you have this very unique claw-footed bathtub. That looks like a lot of fun. And then this extra large shower, and then a WC right here. And then we will walk into the second bedroom. This bedroom is quite unique because of the double French doors. There's a lot of different uses for this room. This also has double French doors that also lead you directly out to the front of the property. And then we will head this way into the third bedroom. You also have another access with scrim safe here for pool safety into the downstairs pool area. But in this bedroom, there are built-in robes, noticeably high ceilings, north-facing window as well as west-facing window, very light and bright in this bedroom. And if we come out into the hallway, you've got more linen cabinet space, and then also a very generous understairs storage. Can never have enough storage in a property, especially if you've got kids. Come in here to the 4th bedroom. Now this is an ensuite bedroom. There are walk-in robes, but in the ensuite there is a bathtub and a shower. Let me have a peek in there. And heading this way. So what's really unique too is you've got this door that closes, so you've got a good separation. If you've got some noisy teenage kids, just send them to this side of the house. Here is a bathroom that's actually part ensuite because it does connect to the 5th bedroom. And as you can see here, you have access from the bathroom, so it is a semi-ensuite. And now we'll head to the laundry room. One of the more important rooms in a large house, especially if you've got kids. There's always plenty of laundry to do. Lots of storage. And now we'll head downstairs into the garage. It's a very large double garage, and it has a roller door, and there is some extra space here, more storage. And over here is where your retic is located, a very important feature in a large property with lawn, especially here in Western Australia. 9 Truro Place in South City Beach. This location is hard to be beat. It is one of the most desirable locations in one of the most desirable suburbs in all of Western Australia. Don't miss out, your opportunity is now. My number is 0416-657-300 if you have any questions. I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith Claremont, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.